So as you can see, this could easily be mistaken with a lake or a river, but we are just in one of the main streets of the community. We are surrounded with houses, we are surrounded with businesses, we are surrounded with churches even, that now are totally gone. This is completely covered in water. So this represents families, this represents a whole community that now is underwater. There are some animals even that get stuck in the houses that are now flooded. And as we were passing by one of the houses, we just saw this cat hanging from one of the main gates of a house, and we were able to rescue it. So now we have it with us, and we're taking it to a safe place where it can have some vets taking care of him.
Eu tinha botado no alto, né? E era um roupeiro novo, botei umas roupas, o que deu pra ali, ó.
So what they are telling us right now is that this community was mainly affected by a nearby river that was getting higher and higher because of the rains. And one of the biggest concerns they have is that the dam that used to be there to protect the river to come into the community is now damaged. And even when there are efforts to rebuild or to repair the dam, with these heavy rains, it's impossible.
Él pueda ver y sentir, Señor, tu apoyo. En el nombre de Jesús, que Él pueda saber y sentir que
We just finished our visit to this community. As you were able to see, everything is flooded. The need is huge. Most of the population from this community is now in shelters, but their houses are here, their belongings are here. All what they had before is here. So if you can partner with us, if you can contribute to all the projects that we will be doing in Brazil, please do it. We need your help, we need your support. We believe that this is an opportunity for us to do more, for us to be light, and for us to be hope in the midst of a very difficult time.